Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. My viewers and subscribers, you see that topic I'm going to cover right now? A lot of people go hate, a lot of people will show more love, some people will remain the same, but the truth is truth and the right is right, and you don't know how the attacking boss got to work. So my viewers and subscribers, you know, so recently, let me see you upload drop over there. Zane, on a vlogging channel. Yeah, man, big up to the blogger same way, and I will see him way. You know what I mean? And we see this something where the police them say them want him, Russia or way want him, my people. Say it is him, alleged say him. You know what I mean? Saw the vlogger showing messages, playing recordings of a conversation they have via telephone call and something, my people. Yeah, trying to clear his name and blaming the media. Said that is why he don't turn in himself. Hey. George just sees, George knows. First of all, want the people them to know. Yeah, what go on? Ask NEWLINK a question. NEWLINK, you good? Yeah, man, I'm great, man. NEWLINK, you drunk? No, man. Yeah, last night I was having a few shots of Campari and thing with some Red Bull, but honestly now I feel so good and so great. Fully sober, man. Okay, attacking boss. Take it on. Listen to me as a people, on a real level. Alright. Vloggers. As me I say, big up the all the vloggers them, you know. You understand? Trying to make a better Jamaica. You know what I mean? Doing the work and doing the right work. You get what I'm saying? But listen to my blogger who do that something over there, so. Listen what me I say. Because you don't know what a friend think this, you know. This is all about what we want, a better for our country, my people. And forget out these wicked, evil, stinking sin thing. You understand? So you what me I say now? Blogger, there's nothing that we do. A foolishness. Number one. A fool. Yeah, me understand where you are, but based on what you see and how you try to make it look. Blogger, look here now. Remember, see, I west side, you and that the man they come from, you know. Russia, right? It's west side, the two wanna come. Then, which me not give you now, but me gonna say. So if we down the link or whether for him or not him. But here what me I say. You see, the first time him forward and him I tell you, say, yo, him want to do things with you, your response should be with him. Take yourself and go to the nearest police station. That should be your response. Because him couldn't link me. Number one, and say, yo, he want to do this to me. Because I would send him definitely, say, yo, find yourself and go. Because you are wanted. You are wanted. You are a person of interest pertaining to somebody who lost there. Okay. Police has seized car for this man. Him still not turning himself. Listen, my viewers and subscribers. I'm not stupid. I'm not a fool. And any one of you who have sense can know this. If you has been listed as a person of interest, you understand, pertaining to a murder. Listen what I'm saying, my people. First thing first of all, what you are going to do, my people, you are going to fling in yourself if you know you're not guilty. I'm telling you that. You're not going to run and hide and burn the media. The time what you are taking, whether you're not taking yourself, that's it. You have a whole heap of time where you can gather up things and fix things. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, don't be a fool to this. Don't be tricked by this. Technology has increased so much nowadays, people, where people intended to get so smart. You understand? And using methods of trying to escape from these things. We have seen what is going on with Donnelly. Same way my people and how them plan it up and try to go around the thing. So don't let these people trick you. Huh? Brother, I understand. Bread have to eat. Food have to eat. But look here, if we not ready to see the money, or ready to see the gain, listen what I'm saying, bro. When you skip off of this thing, man, and go to something else, there's so much things you can do. Because you see, me and NEWLINK, me want a better for my country. Me want to see our youth them stop dying. Me want to see our youth them start get tricked what society do and plague upon them. You understand? Because we all know a lot of youth on the see that street now people are beat the pipe, you know. It's not something what them choose, you know, but what them lead these youth into, you know, all the bigger else them corrupted these youth, you know, and fling things give them, you know, make them turn enemy against each other, you know. That's what they do with us get to youth, you know. You understand? So me want better for my people. Me not do this to get no fame, to get no like, and you know what I mean? That's why people always ask me, say, NEWLINK, what you still do at 95? You understand? They always say certain things to me, NEWLINK, you know what I mean? Why? NEWLINK, you could have do this, NEWLINK, you could have done build this, you can't build all a station, NEWLINK. Look here, man. Me different, my people, real levels. So, at the end of the day, my people, as what I said to you now, what I want you to understand. Zin, for me, this same thing, you know what I mean? Not until he can bring in himself, not until he can prove certain things fully. You understand? If we get a better understanding, I say, you know what I mean? Then when members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force come forward and say such and such, then we can agree with him and say, yo, him not this and him not that. You understand? But for him just come and I try to make things look pretty up and I show messages and this and that and I say, yo, him not do nothing and him not this and him not that, my people. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. They think man fool, they think man stupid, my people. Eh? Think about what the parents is going through now. All the friends, everybody know them. The world who taking on to this story. You understand? Then I got bold enough for how much days after this female lost her life, going to 1 week now, then you got to come forward and I say, yo, the media. Because you know how powerful the media is. And you know how powerful when man stand up and speak facts and righteous. You understand? People, give the attacking boss him props in the people. Give the attacking boss some ratings in my people. Because we ain't fool to this. You remember the other day, my viewers and subscribers, when me telling you so I can't see it. I couldn't and me couldn't lie me people. If I tell you say me couldn't see him people and there's something else or whatever people. Because I couldn't. But now it is coming clearly now, my viewers and subscribers. This same thing on my people. The boy is smart too. You understand? Them have them look food in my people. The boy not broken. No. Them have them look food. Them have links. How much bloggers out there? Top bloggers. How much of them? Big up them, man, NEWLINK. Look how much of them go around the mats in the people. Why you never choose teach them? Teach them is one could have bring this out and put it a real one. You understand? Why you never choose attacking? As me telling me that kick it away. Why you never choose soul flow? Look how much did them people. But who him choose? Pop from down the side and see him side on this. Let's show me as some people. Don't get tricked by this. I'm a lot of people get lost by it now. And I'm saying a different thing. Don't get tricked by it. You know what I mean? But still now I gotta say, yeah, I like really and truly say, but why hiding yourself from the law enforcement? Why? You know whatever. Carry the proof, carry the evidence from the time got in. Because I'm telling you this, my viewers and stuff. If something occurred, something happened. Then and police list me and say you are NEWLINK. We want NEWLINK. People, I'm telling the truth. Me I get my liar, me have my liar, me I bring in myself. If them want to hold me in custody, whatever happen, you understand me people? Because at the end of the day, I jam me live fine, my people. Me not live a man on earth. I jam. So if me know me and myself, so me no guilty, my people. God up ever know that. Me don't need to prove nothing else to no man. You understand? So whatever must be, because Jah upper ever make know already say in my heart me good. So why afraid? Why scared? We are telling about media and people as that and attack people. Although a lot of people are saying I know him. See? A lot of people are saying I know him. A lot of things are going on to this thing in my people. A lot of things and them find methods and ways of to go around things. This is another first time I do something close to this and get off fight my people. So them know what to do. You understand? They know what to do. So not until, you know what I mean, when him comes, as I say people, me not rate what the blog even do. Truthful. Link you, send the man, say, yo, talk to him, bring you over there, sir. Now do this, come on an interview. I'm on the listed answer you take out somebody cheap pan. Because we are mourning the female. We want this thing to get a breakthrough. We want this thing to stop. You understand? No matter what. Pum exchange money, whatever happen. Enough to be where we are take out the body life, yo. You understand? Enough to be that way there. If something turn and go the other way, it should not be that way. You get what I'm saying? So when them are going to come now, and because we now want to get a couple dollars to ourselves and this and that, and we want to say, yo, we are the top one who cover this and no, enough to be like that. You know, see how throughout the time, people, respect you know, people. Tell them how much years we are doing this, the man. Tell them how much breakthrough we get in this, the people. Tell them how we attack things, the people. Talk to them, the man. All of my fans them from long time. Come and make them know who's the attacking boss, the man. And then a pretty thing, people. And then a pretty editing and pretty nothing this. This is how we want a breakthrough in this thing. And we don't want nobody come, yo, you must have shit done the thing. Yo, them link on over there, sir. Freeport police want you, police from the west who want you, 119, whoever want you. They gonna come boy, you want this and that and that. But people, you what me I say, don't let them trick you know. Big up on yourself and more love and more respect, my viewers and subscribers. The attacking boss, they are same way as me telling them people, me not let it go, you know. Until them find this done and this done with, you know. I'm not. You understand? And I better blame me drop down a lead. Because every time something occurred and happen night, it comes up props straight to me. You understand? Every time. Remember Tamara Geddes, I always telling her about that. And I never leave it. From the start to the end, we finish it. So you don't know the thing go. Big up on yourself, more love, more respect, more blessings. Thanks to the love, thanks to the support. Big up to the bloggers, them who do the right thing. Me can't big up the one them who not do the right thing, you know. A real thing, because me are not hypocrite to the thing. But people stay safe. Remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attack. Peace out. I'm out. Blessings.